Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. It is always a task when it comes to prepare your kids' lunchbox menus. Something which is healthy and can be prepared within minutes while the kids need something that they like. I've come up with 3 simple but tasty solutions to your problems. Let's see what are they. So for the first recipe, I'm gonna prepare a simple bread pizza. For that, I have taken 2 slices of white bread, and now as a base sauce I am using the normal tomato ketchup which I am spreading equally. While I am done with layering the base sauce, that is the tomato ketchup, I will be adding in some chopped onion, chopped capsicum and corns. However, you can play with other veggies of your choice, or let's say whatever is available to you. Next, I would sprinkle salt to taste, as the sauce and cheese both would have some salt. Finally, I would top it with some processed grated cheese, or rather lots of cheese. Next, I would go ahead to add in some oregano and mixed herbs or Italian herbs. However, this step is totally optional. You can, however, skip it. Next, I have greased a warm tawa with a dash of oil and placed the bread pizzas, and then I have lowered the flame, and now I would cover it and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and your pizzas will be ready. After 5 to 7 minutes, the pizzas are perfectly cooked. I would now cut them into triangles and then serve it with some other goodies. I have served the bread pizzas, however there should always be some interesting options in a kid's lunchbox, so I have served few orange slices and along with it a lollipop that would make them more happy. Moving on to our next recipe, which is an interesting pasta, I would add a dash of olive oil in a hot pan, and then I am adding in some chopped garlic and fry it for a minute or so. The garlic shouldn't burn, and then next I would add the chopped onion and fry it until the onions become translucent in color. Once the onion change its color, I would add some chopped capsicum and corn and fry it until the vegetables become soft. However, you can add more vegetables of your choice. Next, I am adding some boiled pasta. I have used macaroni pasta. You can use other pastas as well, and now I would lightly toss the pasta. After lightly tossing the pasta, I will go on to add some tomato ketchup. I will be adding about 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. However, you can also use tomato puree in this case. Now I would mix it well. Next, I will add some salt and oregano herbs, which is easily available in the market. However, you can skip it. Now I am adding some processed grated Amul cheese that I have used, and now I will mix it very nicely. To make it more creamy, I am adding a dollop of cheese spread. You can use any cheese spread that is available, and now I will mix it properly, and our pasta is ready to be served. To make it look more interesting, I have served a lotte choco pie and some orange juice with the prepared pasta, and now you're good to go with it. Moving on to our final recipe, that is vegetable upma. I have heated some oil, and now I have added some mustard seeds and a few curry leaves, and I would let it crackle for a while, and then I would go ahead to add some chopped vegetables. And for the vegetables, I have used some chopped onion, carrot, capsicum and green peas. Now I would fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. As the vegetables turn soft, I will add about half cup of Sooji or Semolina, and then I would go on to fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes until the Semolina turns light brown in color. At this stage, I would add about half a teaspoon of sugar and some salt to taste, and then frying it for a minute or so, I would go ahead to add in a cup of water to let the Sooji get cooked. I would cook it further for a few minutes until the Sooji turns out to be tight in consistency. I will add a little bit of black pepper powder to enhance the taste, however it can be skipped, and now I would cook it further to dry it out. So as you can see, the upma is prepared and now I would serve it. I have served the upma and along with it I have served few nuts and dates which are very good to energize your kid, and also I have served some orange juice and now it is ready. I hope you like this video of kids lunchbox menus, and if you do so, please hit the like button. Share it with your friends and let me know in the comment section whether you liked it or not, or if you have any suggestions. And please subscribe to my channel, and after doing so, please hit the bell icon to get notified about my next videos. Thank you.